Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I will show you how to change color of second page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we create some page in this document. Press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Then zoom out this document, see the all page. Then we click the second page and go to the insert menu. Then we create shape or text box in this page. Now I create shape. Click the shape option and choose rectangle shapes. Then draw the shapes in full second page. Now we can see this page is colorable. Now we can change this color, click the shape and go to the format menu. Then select the shape fill option and choose any color in this panel. Now we can see here second page is colored. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.